Review Guru, this is all I have to say about your video. I watched your video response to responses. Please, before making one of these videos, take a fucking biology class, man. Not all plants asexually reproduce, first off. A lot of plants need animals for them to reproduce. One of the biggest ones is flowers. Flowers and trees. Alright? You know how flowers and trees reproduce? Through bees. Bees take the pollen and pollinate flowers. Alright? Flowers, if bees pollinate flowers on trees, they become fruits. They swell up and become fruits, which are transportation for seeds. Alright? That's all a fruit is. It's a transportation for the seed, which is made by bees pollinating the flowers on the trees during springtime. Alright? That's how it works. So if you eat a fruit, it doesn't damage the tree at all. It's just a transportation for the seeds. Same with tomatoes and several other fruits and vegetables. All they are is transportation for the seeds. So even if you eat the fruit and plant the seed is still good. You're not hurting any part of the animal. A part of the plant at all. The only plants I could possibly see this valid with is your potatoes and onions argument. Other than that, like tomatoes, apples, oranges, tons of, fruits and vegetables are not affected by your theories at all. If I pluck an orange off a tree, it's perfectly natural. That's exactly what it's made for. An orange on a tree is a swelled up flower containing seeds so that when the seeds hit the ground, they don't instantly die. That's what it is. It's a transportation. And it also helps them grow with the fertilizer from the rotted fruit. Or if an animal picks up the fruit and drops the seeds along the way. That's how it is. Most animals do not eat seeds of fruits, and most people do not eat seeds of fruits either. So that's just an idiotic argument, my friend. It really truly is. And if you really wanted to combat against vegetarianism, you should have used the argument that our brains evolved from eating red meat. We are naturally herbivores. Our ancestors were herbivores. But the way we learned, the way we got our thought processes is from eating red meat, which put extra proteins in our body so we could learn how to use tools and several other items. And that's how we evolved. But that red meat also causes a lot of health problems. But in the end, that's the way you combat vegetarianism. You do not pull this shit. This shit is retarded, my friend. It's so idiotic. Please, Review Guru, before making any of these videos, I think you should just make a public apology for not knowing what the hell you're talking about. I'm sorry, Guru, but this response to responses was purely idiotic. I could not believe some of the shit you were saying, man. It's like you never taken a biology class in your entire life. Do you know how plants work at all? I'm sorry, but plants really don't asexually reproduce all that much. I think only weeds do, to be quite honest. Lots of fruits and vegetables don't asexually reproduce. If they did, farmers would not be needed. That's all I gotta say, man. I just couldn't believe some of the shit you've been saying in this video. I hope we can talk on Skype tomorrow and discuss this further, because holy shit, man. Samuel out.